Introduction to Cloud Computing Careers.
My Cloud Computing is transforming the way businesses operate, offering scalable and flexible IT resources over the internet. With increasing demand for skilled professionals, starting a career in cloud computing opens doors to numerous opportunities in tech, including roles in development, security, and system administration.
Understand key cloud concepts.
Begin by developing a strong foundation in basic cloud concepts, such as public, private, and hybrid clouds. Learn about essential service models, infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Understanding these terms will help you make sense of cloud technologies and their real-world applications.
Choose a cloud platform and start learning.
Major platforms like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominate the industry. Select one to focus your initial learning. Many providers offer free introduction courses, documentation, and hands-on labs. Start with basic services like cloud storage and virtual machines to gain practical experience.
Build fundamental skills.
Develop essential skills such as networking, operating systems, and basic programming. Familiarity with Linux, cloud security principles, and scripting languages like Python or Bash will give you a strong advantage. Practice by taking part in cloud hands-on labs, virtual sandboxes, or creating your own cloud projects.
Earn industry certifications.
Pursue entry-level certifications such as AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, or Google Associate Cloud Engineer. These credentials validate your knowledge and show potential employers your commitment to the field. Certification exams often include both theory and practical scenarios.
Network and gain real-world experience.
Connect with cloud computing communities through forums, meetups, and social media. Contribute to open-source cloud projects or volunteer for nonprofits needing cloud support. Consider internships, freelance opportunities, or personal projects to showcase your skills and build a strong portfolio.
Stay current and keep advancing.
Cloud technology evolves rapidly. Keep learning by following industry news, attending online training, and exploring advanced certifications. Seek feedback on your projects and adapt to new trends to ensure a successful, long-term career in cloud computing.